Hello and welcome everyone. So in today's video, we are going to solve this nice algebraic equation. In fact, this equation is asked in junior mathematical Olympiad exam. So in this equation, we have to find out the value of x that satisfying the given equation. So in order to solve this equation, very first we will be using some substitution. So if we call square root of x plus 5 as a and square root of x minus 3 as b, so this equation will look like a positive b is equal to 4, and let's call it equation number 1. So from here we have a positive b is equal to 4. So further, in this equation, we will multiplying both sides by a negative b. That means the resultant equation will be like a positive b times a negative b is equal to 4 times a negative b. Now the left hand side of this equation will become a square negative b square, and right hand side will be 4 times a negative b. So if we put the values of a and b on left hand side of this equation, that means we will have a square, that will be square root of x plus 5 raised to 2, that means x positive 5, then negative, and b square will become x negative 3. So after simplifying this equation, in fact this expression, we will have x positive 5 negative x, and this negative collectively will become positive, so positive 3. So from here, these two terms will be cancelled out, and 5 plus 3 will become 8. That means from this equation, we will have 4 times a negative b is equal to 8. Further, from here, we will have a negative b is equal to 8 divided by 4, that will become 2. So from here, we can write a negative b is equal to 2. Let's call it equation number 2. So further, if we add both of these equations, so from here we will have twice of a is equal to 4 plus 2, that will be 6. So from here we will have a is equal to 6 divided by 2. Further, we will have a is equal to 3. So if we have a is equal to 3, that means we will have square root of x positive 5 is equal to 3. So if we square this equation on both sides, so we will have x positive 5 is equal to 3 square, that will become 9. So from here we will have x is equal to 9 negative 5, that will be 4. So from here we have x is equal to 4. That is the solution of this one particular equation. So from here, in fact, if we again subtract equation number 2 from equation number 1, so further we can write, we have equation like a positive b is equal to 4 and a negative b is equal to 2, and this is equation number 1 and this is equation number 2. So if we subtract equation number 2 from equation number 1, so we have a negative a, then b, and this negative will become positive, so we will have b positive b is equal to 4 negative 2 will become 2. So from here we will have 2b is equal to 2, that means b will be is equal to 1. So if b is equal to 1, that means square root of x minus 3 is now 1. So in order to find out the value of x, we will squaring this equation on both sides. So we will have x negative 3 is equal to 1. Further, we will have x is equal to 4. So from here, it won't affect the final result if we are adding equation number 1 and 2 or subtracting equation number 2 from equation number 1. In both the condition, we will have the solution of the equation, that is x is equal to 4. And this is the final answer of this one particular question. I hope you understand the solution that we discuss here. So please like the video, share it with your friends who loves mathematics, and please subscribe to the channel. And more importantly, thanks a lot.